Hello. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Am I audible?
Morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday I had given one homework to draw the UML diagram. Even if you cannot draw online, if it is difficult for you, you can draw by hand also. Have you drawn it? Yes or no? I want an answer fast. You have to finish this particular database today. All of you are able to draw the UML diagram? Yes or no? I want an answer from you. Hello, Vinya. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Preeti. Hello, Preeti. Why no response from your end? What is the problem? Hello? Hello, Vinya?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible, Vinya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to draw the UML diagram without any problem? Yes or no? I want yes or no, that's all. No, yes, no, no. What is the meaning? Huh? Preeti? Hello, Preeti. Is there any difficulty in drawing the UML diagram? Yes or no? I want an answer. Hello?
No, ma'am.
Hello, Vinya. Tell me fast, we have to continue to finish this particular database today.
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is very low. Okay. If you are not drawn, let us draw the UML diagram. All of you take a pen and your book, observation book, and draw the UML diagram. Yesterday I have told you how to draw it. Draw it in your notebook. Don't use any online tool. Let us try to draw on your own in our notebook. Okay. Take your pen and your observation book, draw it, and one of you can share your sheet so that we can discuss whether it is correct or wrong. Fast. I will give you 5 minutes time. All of you draw the UML diagram in your observation book related to the database of library. Then we will have a discussion on it. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. All of you draw it fast. Then we will have a discussion. One of you can share your sheet after drawing.
Ma'am?
Okay. Vinaya, all of you finished drawing the UML diagram? Yes or no? Finished or not yet?
Not yet, ma'am.
Hello? How much time do you require? Another 2 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? I want an answer. Still, how much time do you require? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible? Vinaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, your UML diagram is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So, your UML diagram is ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, your UML diagram is ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, your UML diagram is ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, your UML diagram is ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, your UML diagram is ready? Yes or no? I don't want online. Have you drawn it in your observation book? I gave hmm? Yes or no? I want an answer. Simply, if you keep quiet, how will I know that you are drawn or not drawn? Whether I should discuss about it? I should know, right? What about Rohit? Have you drawn in the observation book,
Yeah,
Rohit?
not in observation book, ma'am. In PPT, I am done.
You are done in
In the PPT.
PPT, in online. Okay. Can you share it?
Okay, ma'am.
Share it. Let us discuss whether some changes are required or what, so that all of them can draw in observation book. Anyway, at the end of your first database, you have to submit your observation book and record. Anyway, you have to write. Handwritten has to be done to be submitted. Okay. Okay. All of you are able to see the screen? Hello? Any one of you should answer whether you are able to see the screen of Rohit.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yeah. Have all of you drawn in the similar way? See, as I had told you to write the name of the tables on the top and divide it. One line has to be drawn before the attribute name so that it is the division between the name of the table and the attributes. Okay. And then write the attributes below that. So name, address and phone is the attribute for publisher. Similarly for library program, you have library program ID and what is the second attribute?
Sorry,
Program name
ma'am.
and address. Program name, you have written something else. What is that written? Address, huh? You wrote? You have to remove it, Rohit, huh? It is
Okay.
program name, huh? Not address, program name. Okay. It is only program name and the third one is address. That is correct. Okay. And then comes your book lending. Book lending has the attributes book ID, program ID, card number, date out, and due date. That is correct. Then for book authors, you have book ID and author name, correct. Then for book, you have book ID, title, publisher name, and publisher year. That is publication year. Then in book copies, we have book ID, program ID, and number of copies. So everything is correct. All of you are drawn in the similar way. Once we have drawn this particular tables related to the library database, we have to also indicate primary key and foreign key. That is very, very important. So we know that name of the publisher is the primary key. And as I told you, you have to show the arrow mark towards the primary key, which Rohit has shown already. So from name, we are linking it to the publisher name of the book, which is shown in the diagram towards the publisher name of the book. That is the link. So publisher name in book is foreign key pointing to the primary key name of the publisher table. That is what it indicates. Similarly, you have library program. In that you have program ID, which is a primary key, which is having an arrow indicating that it is a primary key, and that is linked to two places.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
One is the book copies, another one is book lending. Book copies, in that you have program ID, and similarly for book lending also we have that. So here Rohit, one important point here is I don't want to draw two lines. Are you listening, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here you have drawn two different lines. I don't want like that. From book lending, directly connect to the same line which goes to your program ID of book copies. Can you do that change? Just draw, connect it to this line, a vertical line. Yeah, common you can make. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So you have a primary key program ID in library program, which is a foreign key in book lending as well as in the program ID of book copies. Is this diagram clear to all of you? Yes or no? I want an answer from others. Now, once we have finished library program ID with respect to primary key, we have a book table. The book ID is the primary key, and book ID is a primary key which is referred by book copies as well as book author as well as your book lending. So 3 places you have to connect with respect to book ID. One is from book author, another from your book copies, and one more from book lending. Yes. So here also, Rohit, I want you to show it if it is possible to show in a common point, that would be better. Instead of showing in from left as well as right, I don't expect that way. I want it to be connected. Let us consider that we put it on the left hand side as the primary key for book ID in the book. So all these lines from book copies and book lender, let it join that left part. No, don't remove that left part. Left was correct. Undo. Undo. That let it be there. Left one, let it be there. Connect all others to the left.
Okay.
Yes. Make it in the straight line. No, to the left. Join to the left. Straight line. Let it be straight. Yeah.
This one, ma'am.
What you did, book ID. Where is your book ID connection?
Book ID is connected to this book
Okay,
ID.
you are connected here, and then that you make it straight. No, it is to the right. Little left you do. The top one. Left
This
line,
one.
left line, left line, left line. Left line. That you move to the exactly straight line you make. Zigzag, I don't want that line. To the left, little move. Move to the left. Yes, perfect. Yeah. Now it is correct. Leave it now. Show me. Zoom and show. Zoom it. Yes, that's good. Which tool you are use, Rohit?
Microsoft, ma'am. PowerPoint has every tool, ma'am. To draw.
Microsoft?
Microsoft PowerPoint has every tool to draw, means most of the
Okay,
things you
you
can.
have drawn in Microsoft PowerPoint only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine only.
Big-
Anywhere you can draw. But you can draw in your observation book directly also. No need of this one. Anyway, you have learned how to draw UML. It is not a waste, isn't it? Even for your projects and all, you have to draw it, so it will be easy for you to do it. For your DBMS mini project, you have to draw this. Everyone has to do it. Okay. He has done in PowerPoint. You can also do it there itself. Tools are also available. You can either use a tool or directly use a PowerPoint also. Okay. So book ID is over. I think all connections are done. Anything remaining? Anything remaining? Author name, have you underlined, Rohit? Can you
Yes,
zoom your
ma'am.
screen, please?
It is zoomed earlier.
Yeah, zoom, please. Zoom it.
No, that tool is not available here. I
No,
think.
screen show. You can do na slideshow.
I
Go
have
to
done
the
that, ma'am.
slideshow. No, remove this right side part and only show your slideshow. It will be possible. Slideshow will be there in the bottom. Rohit, on the bottom taskbar, you can see the slideshow. The last button. Go to the right, below, taskbar. There you are having the zoom, no, 57%. There only you show slideshow. Below. Down taskbar, you have that 57% zoom. Either you do that or click on this icon, no? Left of that, you have an icon. Slideshow icon. Click on that.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Slideshow you didn't do. Do
Oh,
it
that is
slideshow.
not taking place. In my screen, it is visible.
Okay, here it is not. We don't want that particular format, shape, and all that. You close
I
that
think
window.
his
Format,
slideshow
shape,
is
and
on
all
top.
text. This right hand side. Close it. Now it's okay. Fine. All of you are able to view it? Now it's fine. Now everybody has an idea of how to draw an UML diagram. Class diagram, UML class diagram. There are different categories in UML. This is one of them that is called as class diagram. Everybody are comfortable in drawing this UML diagram? I want an answer from one of you, please. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vinay, at least you represent your class. No
Yes,
one
ma'am.
speaks. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So much time do you require to tell that? Any doubt in UML class diagram?
No, ma'am.
I hope that everybody agrees with Vinaya what she said. So you are comfortable now in drawing the UML diagram from all other database now after the second program. You have to draw on your own. Okay, I am going to just tell you what are the, we'll discuss about the data type and size. You have to draw the UML diagram. So we have finished creating the table. Yes, Rohit, thank you so much. Save your PPT. It is required for your project also. So similar way you have to do it for your projects. We have finished creating the table. Then we have drawn the UML diagram. The next part is inserting the values inside the database. So let us see how to do that. What is the command to use? What is the command to use? Tell me fast. We already finished doing that command. Which is the command to insert the data? Hello?
Insert command.
Insert
Insert.
command. At least one of you should answer. What is the syntax of insert command? Can anybody tell me? This was there in the first internals only.
Insert into table name values and in bracket values.
Okay, that is entering one value at a time. Okay. If you want to enter specific values, you will say
Insert into the attributes name and then values.
insert into table name. Insert into table name. Tell me fast. Hello? Tell me, insert into table name. How to insert specific values?
And attribute names.
Insert into table name after that.
In bracket attributes names.
Little louder, please. Insert into table name faster. Next, how do you write? Only if you want to enter specific values, how will you insert? Any one of you, we have done that in our test already. Before test, I have explained how to insert the values, all the values one at a time, one record at a
Insert
time.
into
Then we have
bracket
seen how
again
to
column
enter
names.
only specific. Insert into table name.
In bracket again column names will come.
Correct.
Specific
In
column
bracket,
names.
the column names whose values are to be entered. Close that particular bracket. Then
And
Values.
then
values.
And
Values.
and again
And then
open
open
bracket
the
and
bracket
reset values.
and write the values. That is how we write the specific. Then one more thing we want to discuss is how to enter multiple values. I think I have not done that. Have I done that?
Yes, ma'am.
I have
No,
done
no,
it.
ma'am.
Multiple value entry I have
No,
done.
no.
So just make a note to insert multiple values. The command is, take down the command, insert into angular bracket table name. Insert into angular bracket table name. Close the angular bracket, values. Open the parenthesis. Then single quote. I will explain about it. Single quote, ampersand, column name, 1, single quote, comma, ampersand, column name, 2, comma, dot, dot, dot. So any number of attributes you can write, bracket close, semicolon. Finished writing? All of you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here ampersand indicates the address of that particular attribute or column name. Wherever the data type of the attribute is char or varchar or date, it has to be enclosed in single quotes. But if it is of integer type or float data type, that should not be enclosed into single quote. That is how you are going to insert the values. Let us now see how to insert the values with respect to the tables of our library database. Which is the first table created? Tell me.
Publisher.
Publisher. Okay. So now let us see the command for it. I will share the screen with respect to our publisher. One second, I'm sharing the screen. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in your SQL prompt, what is the command you are going to type? Insert into publisher values. There are 3 attributes for the publisher. So as name is varchar, you write in single quotes, ampersand name, single quote, comma, address is also a varchar. So single quote, ampersand address, single quote, but phone is a number. So it is ampersand phone. Bracket plus semicolon. So write the command. All of you write the command fast. After you finish, you have to tell me. Then I will tell you what you are supposed to do. Done? Finished writing insert command? Only the command I have told you to write. After you finish, you have to tell me. Over or not yet? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here in SQL, if you use Oracle 11G, you will get the statement which is displayed here. It will, as it is multiple entry, it will ask you enter the value for name, then you have to enter the value, then it will say enter the value for address, you have to enter the address, then it will say enter the value for phone, that is the attribute names it will ask for, and then you have to enter. Once you enter that, it will show you the command as old and then new one as the value which you have entered. If you would have entered it in one record entry, whatever value is there, it is going to display in that particular way. Okay. So here this is 10 9090 80 8070. Okay. So it will, once everything is correct, the command is correct, and you have inserted the correct values, then it will say one row created. So just write down that first value. In Oracle 11G, it is going to display enter value for name, enter value for address, enter value for phone, and you are going to enter the values. Enter the first value as shown in the screen. Once you finish, you have to tell me. You write the whole thing. This till this point. Over. Finished writing? I want you to write the whole thing till this point. Done? All of you are writing? All of you are writing in objection book? I want an answer from one of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you finished? Have you finished? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now one row will be created. Similarly, you have to enter multiple records depending upon the requirement for our query. So what you have to do is, again, once you press enter after one row created, it will come as SQL prompt. You have to put a forward slash. Write this also. SQL forward slash. That is, continue the same command or execute the same command. So after this, what will happen? Again, it will ask for these values. It will ask for these values again. So you have to enter the multiple values. Okay. Now, once we have entered all the values, how to see the data which you have entered? You have to say select star from table name. So select star from publisher semicolon. Then it will show you the attributes. It will show you the attributes. Take down the data. I am telling you to take down the data because corresponding to our query, we have the data with us. So please try to use the same data. Take down this data. Select star from publisher, the data values related to your publisher table. Over. Finished. Data values for publisher. Finished or not? Publisher. I want an answer. Finished writing the data? One of you should answer. Otherwise, how will I know? Preeti,
Yes, ma'am.
finished writing data for publisher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You should respond, no then. How will I know otherwise? So, there are 6 rows. So, once it is displayed, it will show 6 rows selected. Please write that also. Which is the next table we created after publisher? Tell me first.
Library program.
Correct. So again for library program, write the insert command which is displayed on the screen and also write one value related to that. Over. Done. Once you finish, you have to tell me for library program. Enter the value for program ID, program name, address. So first value we should enter 1000 SMVAT Unsamarnalli and one row created, it will display. To see the values of library program, select star from library program. So these are the values which you can see. Take down the values. Done. I want an answer, please. Have you finished writing the data values for library program?
No, ma'am.
Finish and tell me once you finish. Then we go for the next insertion. Once you finish, you have to tell me. Over? Once you finish, you have to tell me. Done? Have you finished or not finished? One of you should answer once you finish. Done? Vinaya, Preeti, Kirti.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Okay. I hope everybody finished writing the insert value for library program. Which is the next table? Which is the next table we have created after library program?
Book.
Correct. So again you write insert into book, values, book ID, title, publisher name, publisher year. Done. Similarly, for this, enter value of book ID, title, publisher name, publication year. Same, just enter the value, one value for it. Write down the values. Done. Book is done. Okay,
No,
finish it off. We stop for here. Continue for the next tables and the queries in the next class. Tomorrow, please don't miss the class. It will be very important because you will know how to write the query for a given question. You should know how the question should be interpreted and how the answer or the query should be written to retrieve the data. And always very important is in your examination, data will not be provided to you. You have to think properly and see to it that for all the questions asked for writing the query, you have the related data in your database. If it displays no row selected, you will not be given any marks. So be sure that whatever data has to be retrieved related to the condition given in the question, you should have the related data in your database. So now I am giving the data related to the requirement. So you have to similarly remember some of the data which are required for the database. You need not have to really by heart, but related to the condition required in the question, you should be able to have that data in your database, because data will not be provided to you in exam. Please keep that in mind. Once you finish this, I will take attendance and stop for today. The remaining tables which we are remaining tables are book author, book copies and book lending. That we will do it in the next class along with the queries. That is tomorrow 12 to 1. Answer your attendance. Rajas,
Present, ma'am.
Varun, Pratik, Shingamba, Sudeep Suman,
Present, ma'am.
Vishrut,
Present, ma'am.
Mamta, Hiteshi,
Present, ma'am.
yeah,
Absent.
Pavan, Prabal Gupta, Pranjal, Prasanna,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Pratibha,
Present, ma'am.
Praveen,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Preeti,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Rakesh, Raksha,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Rakshita,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Ramandeep,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Ria,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Rishika,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Rohan Kamble, Rohit, Rohit Jumnani, Rohit Kumar Das,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Ruchita,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita present. Hello, Akshita. Is Akshita present? Put in the chat if you are not able to use your mic. Put in chat. Okay. Bhavana.
Present, ma'am.
Vandana.
Present, ma'am.
Cyrene. Samir. Sampanna. Sanjay.
Present, ma'am.
Sarita. Saurav Kumar. Saurav Raj. Sheikh Abdul. Shailendra. Shashwat John. Shaurya Agarwal. Shiva Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shivangi Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shivani Sen. Shlok. Shreyoshi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shresh Singh. Shreyan. Shreya.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shreyan. Shriharsha. Sushant. Shyam.
Present.
Siddhartha.
107 present, ma'am.
Oh, Shyam is
Present, ma'am. 108.
okay, yeah. 107. Shyam is 107.
Yes, ma'am. Present. Ma'am, 108 also present, ma'am.
108 also. Yeah, Siddhartha is also present. Srikant. Sugandhini.
Present, ma'am.
Suhasji.
Present, ma'am.
Suhas Aital.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Sujit.
Present, ma'am.
Sumant,
Present, ma'am.
Sushma,
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay, Teja,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Tushin, Umama,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Vaishnav Shukla present. Yeah, put. Siren, what is your SN? 86. Is marked. Okay. Siren mark present. Okay. Varun?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Varun Bharadwaj? Vinaya?
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Vishal?
Present, ma'am.
Vishwas? Pranav? Sai Gokul?
Present, ma'am.
Yutika? Mohammad Tahir? Kirti?
Present, ma'am.
Malini? Yeah. Malini? Monisha? Rani Supriya?
Present, ma'am.
Monisha is present. Okay. Rani Supriya?
Ma'am,
Sagar?
she's present. She's having some mic problem.
Yes,
Rani
Vinaya?
Supriya. Ma'am, Rani Supriya is present.
Rani
She's not
Supriya is
able to
present.
unmute.
Yes. Marked. Sudha?
Present, ma'am.
Suma?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Bye for today. Let us write the insert command for the remaining 3 tables and do the queries tomorrow. Don't be absent. Please inform all of the other students also. Vinaya, please do that. Why strength is less today?
Yes, ma'am.
Why only 43 people came? What is the problem? Tomorrow everybody should be present. Please inform me in the group that tomorrow we will be doing the queries for the first database. Very important. You have to listen and do for other programs also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please inform in your group. Tomorrow they should be present because we are starting the queries related to the database. Okay. Very important session for tomorrow. Okay. Bye for now. Take care. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's class at 12 o'clock.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Take care.